This problem is asking you to solve each of the following equations using a method other than the quadratic formula. So what we're going to do is we're going to factor. And I think it's really important that we recognize that this first term has two y's, right? Y squared, so that's y times y. And then this second term also has a y. So they both have y's, so they both have something in common. And what we know is that when they both have something in common, we can take that something out. So now I'm going to change this so it looks like y times y minus 6 equals 0. Well, we know how to solve this, right? This takes us back to our zero product property. And so our zero product property is saying, well, what makes this equal to 0? And so anything times 0 is 0. So this y, we're going to set equal to 0. So that's saying that one of our zeros is just y equals 0. Because if I plug in a 0 there, 0 times negative 6, because I also plug in a 0 there, would give me 0, because anything times 0 is 0. Well, okay, now we're going to set the second part, the second factor, equal to 0. So y minus 6 equals 0. I add 6 to both sides, because I'm undoing that subtraction, and I end up with y equals 6. So because of our zero product property, we know that the two zeros for this function up here is y equals 0 and y equals 6.